Hey guys, welcome. So in this video I'm going to show you how I make this $1.25 trellis. Very easy, very simple. I just use this little mesh that I got at the dollar store for $1.25, and I just came here and I used these two pots with some sticks, and I was able to build myself a beautiful little bean trellis. And now my beans, they can start running on that. I'm going to also add some more beans in the middle there, and these can climb up and go around. I have some other beans here too, and I will also go back in the dollar store and pick up a couple more of those, and I'll put it around some of the beans that I have this year. So let's get into the video. I'll show you how I did it. Now the beans that I'm using are the flat beans, so they don't like trellis too tall, so that is why I'm not making a tall trellis. But this is so simple and so easy. The first thing you need to do is get yourself some twist ties, a small one. Then you're going to need to get some sticks, and then you're going to need to get your little trellisy thing. Let me show you. So you're going to need a little trellisy thing here, and you're going to need this. Then you're going to need some sticks. You're going to put the sticks down and so there is my little bean trellis. It's done. You have an opening in the middle here, so you can harvest your bean, and the beans are going to trail around here. Okay, and this is what it looks like. The beans are going to trail around here. You tie it here, you tie it here, and I'm going to tie this one over here like this. I'm going to put another tie here. I put one here, and then you're just gonna show the beans where to go, and the beans are gonna trail here, and you want these beans to start going there. That's basically it. And that's it, guys. That's it. This is my $1.25 bean trellis, and this is gonna cover, the beans is gonna cover it and then you can just come here and pick your beans. You can pick your beans from here, from the inside, or you can go around here and pick your beans, right?